you want your sunglasses on?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Well, good afternoon, friends and followers. Today I'm working on the house some more. Exterior trim for like the umpteenth zillion weeks. It drags on like mudding drywall. Tedious detail work, but it looks good when it's done. There's a lot of pieces to this puzzle. I've got trim on the bottoms and the tops and the sides, and pretty much picture framed every wall and windows around. I've got a skirt board or a water table, some call it. There's a drip cap and then starter strip. That's what I worked on this morning, getting starter strip on. We started wrapping stuff in J channel last night, day before, and today. And now we're finally ready for the first piece of vinyl to go up. So we're looking forward to this. Both Mom, Dad, and I, we're the crew today. And we're excited because this part goes quick in the scheme of things. And it's one of the last things that I need to do outside. So I got a time lapse to share of this back wall at least. And here we go.
Hopefully when you snap it, it slides.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Typical.
Here we go.
Pro tip, when you're cutting vinyl siding on a chop saw, flip the blade around. It's loud as can be, but it stops chip outs from happening.
It can't get in. It's not going in. See what I mean? It's not. I don't know how to get that in there. You need a tool or something.
I just threw it on that overlap. The rest overlap. Yeah.
It's been almost 2 hours and we've done everything we could reach on the back side of the house. Progress is quick and it's nice. Now we're moving around the corner and we're gonna do a whole bunch of notching for the first one because we've got a whole bunch of protrusions on this wall, and then we will be moving right along on this side of the house. We'll do what we can reach today at least before we set up some scaffolding. Another interesting thing today, it's like 84 degrees, which is pretty darn warm still for the first week of August. However, it's the first day that I think it's kind of feeling like fall. The air is dry, it's not so humid and sticky out here. There's a lot of shadows in the yard, and I've also noticed that the apple trees are starting to drop some. So it's kind of got that dry fall feeling. It's kind of nice, but also reminding me that we need to hustle on this house and get inside where it's nice.
Your side be level here, and then we can back calculate where the end is.